Hello, good morning everyone. This is Teacher Chat. This morning we're going to learn about the water sources and how to conserve water or conservation rather. So we're going to identify what are the different sources of water and how do we conserve our water so that the next generation will able to use it. So let's go. So we're going to identify what is the meaning of water. So water is one of the natural resources. Yes, because we are abundant of water and it comes from the nature, and we all know that humans, animals, and plants need water to drink and live. Most especially human, you cannot live without water. Okay, you cannot live without food, but water is very important for our digestion and for the well-being of our body. So water covers 71% of Earth's surface, and water has no fixed place. Next. So here we're going to have a little glimpse of the distribution of water in the Earth. So let's check. Only 3% is fresh water, and of all the water in the world, approximately 97% is found. So next, we have 69% is locked up in glaciers and ice caps. That is where you can find in the North Pole. Next is 30% is the world's fresh water exists underground as groundwater. Next, a small amount, 1%, is available as surface water in rivers, streams, and lakes. So those are the distribution of water in the earth. Next is we are going to identify what are the natural resources of water. Next, first is we have ocean, a very large expanse of sea. That is Pacific Ocean, example, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Sometimes those oceans separate one countries from the another, or from one island to another. Next is we have river, a large natural stream of water flowing in a channel to the sea, a lake, or another such stream. Next is pond, a small area of water that is similar, or that is rather smaller than a lake. Ponds are often made artificially. Next is we have lake, a body of fresh or salt water of considerable size surrounded by land. Next is stream, a body of running water such as a river or creek flowing on the earth. So we're going to see what are the how does the oceans, lakes, ponds, rivers, streams look like. So these are the pictures. So next we were going to go to the sources of fresh water. So we have pond, glacier, groundwater, and spring. So what are those? We have glacier, a slowly moving mass or river of ice formed by the accumulation and compaction of snow on mountains or near the pools. Next, spring means a source of water from the ground, particularly a very small pond. Next, groundwater is the water found underground in the cracks and spaces in soil, sand, and rock. It is stored in and moves slowly through geologic formations of soil, sand, and rocks called aquifers. Next is we're going to go to uses of water. There are a lot of uses of water. So first, we use water for drinking. We use water for washing our hands, brushing our teeth, taking a bath, cooking, watering the plant, washing our dishes, washing our clothes, and cleaning the house. Most especially in our toilet, we use water, correct? So there are many uses of water, but those are that I have mentioned are the main uses of water. Okay, let's go to how to conserve water. So water is natural, correct, but if we're not going to use it correctly, we don't know if we still have water for the next 20 years, for our next generation. So we have to learn how to conserve our water so that our future generation, our future like future son, future brothers and sisters, they're going to have water to use. So I have here some of the ways how to conserve water. So by saving water, you can close the faucet if you are not using. Like for example, if you are taking a bath, you have to use pail, and then you let the water flow, and then if the pail is full, you have to turn it off the faucet. And also when you're brushing your teeth, you have to use glass so that it will maximize the use of water. Don't let the water open or run when you're brushing your teeth. Okay, next is you're going to use the same glass today, but as long as it is your glass, you're the only one who's using that glass. Okay, next is I wash only full loads. Full loads. Like for example, you have to collect your dirty laundry, dirty clothes. You have to pile them up, so that it will be like it will what do you call that one? It is easy for you, like just one wash or one washing of clothes. Like it's all for the good. It's good for 1 week, like that. And recycle the water used for washing clothes to flush the toilet. Yes, correct. It is very important to reuse the water as much as possible. Like for example, if you have like reuse water from your wash clothes, you have to like clean the toilet, or to flush the toilet, or to clean the surface of your house, or in your surroundings, or like you can use that for cleaning. And yeah, as I've mentioned, you have to turn off the water when brushing your teeth. Take a short shower and turn off the water when I shampoo. Yeah, that's correct. So that's simple ways to conserve water. Next is we're going to learn as well what is water pollution. So there is air pollution, and also there is water pollution. Humans did this actually. So water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. Yeah, correct. So water bodies include, for example, lakes, rivers, ocean, aquifers, and groundwater. Water pollution results when contaminants introduced into the natural environment. Like for example, our waste, if we don't know how to take care of it, if we don't know where is the trash can, where is the trash bin, we will just like throw it everywhere, or throw it in a small portion of water, or in the river, in the lakes, in the ocean, or in the sea. So that's the time it will just like collect, and then it goes back to us actually. So what you've thrown, it will go back to you. Like if it's raining hard, there might be a times that there will be a flood, and the water cannot go through to the streams or any kinds of water sources, because it is contaminated or stuck with our garbage or other some kinds of contaminants that can harmful to our water resources. So I hope you learned something today, and I hope that you will truly understand what is the uses of water. You can start now, you can start at home, or you can start in yourself by properly used or properly conserve the water that we have. Okay, so thank you so much for your time and for listening to me. That's it for today, and have a good day. Thank you.